Hey! Welcome everybody to Miami's newest Lego store here at the Esplanade Aventura. The opening weekend festivities are going on and you are more than welcome to join in on the fun. Let's get to it. Alright, so here's a tour of the Lego store. Entering in, you have the new arrival section. A couple brand new sets. I believe these are Dreams and Castle Nocturne. That's cool. Life-sized or super-sized Lego brick, and I don't know what that is. Maybe from Dreams. As usual, a couple display models, including the Pharrell set. The Space Promotion. To the new play area. Lots of basic bricks. And we see the main part of Flora, Lewis, and yes. The Mercedes demo. And the custom build a minifig stand, which appears to be very well organized, I will say. I think it's smaller. I've been reported that it is smaller, but it looks very neatly organized. This is not the only Lego store thing that is smaller. We'll talk about the other one in a minute. Franklin Speed Champs. New cash register design. Some more floor sets. Raider. Including a couple rare sets. 18 plus. And really the business end of the store. Lots and lots of sets. Including one from Christopher and Robert. City, Dreams, Harry Potter, Friends, Disney. So this is a big store. Much bigger than its previous location. And the coolest part is that the store has a water fountain, refillable water station, and restrooms. So you don't have to go to common restrooms if you need to take a leak. And I'm sure the part that some of you will have been waiting for, the pick-a-brick wall.
You would need like 10. Sorry, I don't think.
So the pick-a-brick wall is shrunken from a maximum of 84 bins to only 60, which is a 25% deduction at the end of the day, because remember that when they added the cup jacks where you can pick up the cup from, that took away 4 bins, and for the base plates I think they took away another 4, so really we're going from 76 to 60, which is not the worst change. However, at least it's cool that they went with double of these modules, because some stores you only have a maximum of 30, so in some stores it will only be half of this, but Aventura is using double, especially as a larger store. But at the end of the day, it's not the worst thing, because we end up only picking a few. Some stores get duplicates. I do like the new design of the pick-a-brick bins. It's just more vibrant and very compact. So you really get to fit a lot more in an otherwise small space. Here's the exclusives. Some doorbusters.
The Lego store at Esplanade Aventura was inaugurated by ribbon cutting at 10:40 a.m. on Friday, September 20th, 2024. And the Lego Group invited the Greater Florida Lego Users Group to display in front of the Lego store throughout the entire opening weekend in conjunction with their mural build project. I was in charge of putting together the GFLUG display and brought some friends, including Joseph.
Yo, Joseph, say hi.
None of these things are
This beautiful mountain sculpture and Dungeons and Dragons inspired battle scene was made by Lego Masters Season 4 contestant Luis Saladrigas, a local adult fan of Lego representing the South Florida area. This beautiful battle scene between the minifig and this bird made for a compelling centerpiece at this weekend's display. This is Lewis's first public display of this diorama. Previously was on its way to an event where unfortunately the model collapsed. But I'm really grateful and really glad that he got to put it right back together for the Lego store's opening. What a masterpiece. David and Alex Glenn drove all the way down from Largo, Florida to set up their Wild West train scene and enjoy the Lego store's opening festivities. They also wanted some of the swag that Lego was giving out, several GWPs, store tiles, but unfortunately no numbered minifigs. They also brought the Marriott, but evidently there wasn't adequate space nor reason to really put it up. Would have been nice to pair the Marriott with my Element skyscraper. Though this Wild West scene is absolutely stunning. And since this was an outdoor setup, I did not have an operating Lego train, but I brought the Brightline train with some of my locally flavored buildings. The rooftop shown left to represent the Brickell nightlife scene, the Miami Freedom Tower, Element Tampa finally making a public appearance after so many years, not based in Miami, but looks close to the Miami vibe. And then we come over and we arrive at the familiar Midtown skyscrapers. Folks that were local to the area and that live in Midtown instantly recognized 4 Midtown, Hyde Midtown, and Midtown 2 skyscrapers. We look at a slightly beat up Midtown 4 pool deck, enjoy the beautiful white and teal blazing in the natural light, and have a view at the busier than usual East Coast Avenue facing the Florida East Coast Brightline mainline. Adjacent to it, Hyde Midtown and to Midtown and the Mini Freedom Tower and a bunch of rail fans watching Brightline go by. This is the first public appearance for all 3 of these buildings in Miami-Dade County, so this was a very special weekend for me. Here an overview of my Miami buildings and Lego Brightline train set, which was static this time but hopefully at a future event in the area will be under power. On to the rest of the Greater Florida Lego Users Group display now. GFLUG member J.R. Gates brought his city buildings and French Palace all the way from Delray Beach, Florida down here to Aventura. This very stunning MOC contains 42,000 plus pieces and is part of a giant overall city scene. This is only a fraction of what he has displayed. If you look back at my Tampa Brick Fan Expo video, you will see his entire city come to life. This is from local adult fan of Lego Stephanie Larson. She is based in the South Florida area and will be joining Greater Florida Lego Users Group at future events. She brings her city scene, which was very fun, very lively, and very detailed. I really love that grocery store there and upstairs gym. Clearly, some spectators were a little too excited and wanted to play with the bikes and the popcorn carts, so I straightened them up. And a look at the Publix supermarket, this very fantastic, locally flavored model done by Matt Margini. Another local adult fan of Lego based in the Kendall area will be joining the Greater Florida Lego Users Group at future events. This fully detailed interior resembles Florida's supermarket, complete with the deli, bakery, produce section, dried foods, frozen foods, beer, seafood, you name it. Everything in Publix is modeled in true form here. And this goes straight down to the sliding doors at the entrance. Very, very cool. But equally impressive is Matt's 2D or 3D painting of Santorini, Greece. Some of the elements in this painting are from a rare Lego color that was used in the model shop called yellowish orange. It's like a peach tone that helps model that rosy sunset sky. But the detail is absolutely phenomenal in this one. Back to the other event, putting together the Miami Vice themed mural. The turnout was pretty low this weekend, so it was an all hands on deck effort. We worked all the way through Sunday night to get this thing done, but we were determined to finish it before Monday, which was media day.
And that's the last one on row 1. So that'll do it, and I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and congratulations and many, many years of success to the LEGO Store crew here and all across South Florida. If you want to see more LEGO content, make sure you're subscribed to my channel, and also while you're at it, feel free to leave a like and share your thoughts on this video.
And I want to especially thank LEGO's marketing team for inviting us to display here, the LEGO Store crew for their hospitality and giving us little goodie bags in appreciation of our efforts this weekend, and the Greater Florida LEGO Users Group members and fellow adult fans of LEGO that showed up and contributed to this amazing effort. This would not have been possible without all of you.
Hey! Till next time, from Aventura, Florida at the Esplanade LEGO Store, this is Dr. Toga out.